If your Walmart pickup order is missing items, don't assume they were forgotten. Missing products are often removed because they're out of stock, substituted with your approval, or refunded automatically before you leave the store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confirm what happened, where to check for refunds or substitutions, and what to do if an item was actually left out. Start by opening the Walmart app or website and going to G account, then iPurchase history.die. Open the pickup order and review every item carefully. Walmart labels items as picked up, substituted, canceled, refunded, or unavailable. That status tells you whether the store intended to include the product. Next, review your digital receipt instead of relying on your original shopping cart. Your receipt reflects what you were actually charged for after the store completed your order. If the missing item doesn't appear on the final receipt, it was likely removed before pickup, and you should not have been charged. If substitutions were enabled when you placed the order, check whether Walmart replaced the missing product with a similar item. Sometimes customers look for the original item and overlook the approved substitute already packed in the order. If the receipt shows you paid for the missing item, but it wasn't in your bags, double-check every bag before contacting support. Small products can end up inside larger bags, under bulky items, or mixed with refrigerated or frozen groceries. If you ordered multiple totes, make sure none were left in your vehicle during pickup. If you still can't find the item, return to the order details and use the help or problem with order option, if it's available. Choose the missing item from the list and follow the prompts. If that option isn't available, contact Walmart customer care and have your order number ready. Explain which specific item is missing and confirm that it appears on your final receipt. If the pickup location is nearby, you can also call the store directly. In some cases, the item may have been left behind in the pickup staging area, and the store can arrange for you to collect it without placing a new order. To summarize, first compare your missing item with the final receipt, check for substitutions or automatic refunds, inspect every bag carefully, and then report any item that was charged but not received. Those steps usually identify the problem quickly and help Walmart resolve it faster. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Walmart troubleshooting videos.